We got married in Massachusetts, yep, at the Copley Plaza Hotel. And then we lived in New York. Then we got transferred. I got a job in LA. Then we moved to Austin, Texas. Then we moved down to Miami. Now we're in suburban Philadelphia and we're getting divorced. What state law is going to govern our prenup? Oh my gosh. That's just one of the many very complicated questions that you should be asking yourself before you get married. That's why you need an experienced lawyer to draft your prenup. You don't want to depend on the hope strategy or what? The magic 8 ball, right? To determine whether or not your prenup's even going to hold up under the state law that you want it to hold up under. Prenups, not a do-it-yourself deal, okay? Get it drafted properly before the wedding invitations go out, okay? People move all the time, and divorce law is dependent upon the jurisdiction that you live. But what if you've moved around a bunch of times? Some people will go and they're expats and come back, and you want to lock everything down to the greatest extent possible. And you're not going to be able to do that on your own unless you draft prenups. Don't rely on the junk that's sold on the internet. You're kidding yourself. I've seen and set aside more of those than I can count. Contact local counsel in your jurisdiction for a prenup. They take a while to draft, and the person's going to want to go down the rabbit hole, the attorney who drafts your prenup, and talk about things that you didn't even think about or know existed. All right? Leave plenty of time before those wedding invitations are ordered, okay? In case the other side balks. Then you don't have to sink money in to a catering hall and all the other expenses before the prenup's nailed down. Don't wait. Share this with someone who needs to see it. Subscribe. Channel's growing crazy, and thank you for that. Be careful out there.